I'm Stephanie McBride. I am a certified clinical herbalist, functional nutritionist, and mom of 3. And my focus with these vlogs is on maternal health, but also essential oils, just beginning with pregnancy and lasting through a lifetime. And I'm just starting these new vlog newsletters because I think people really like to learn in a video form. So I hope that it works for you and that you enjoy it. I also will have links below the video where you can read blog articles. It just depends on the newsletter, but you can see maybe short tutorials, read guest articles, read pages on my website, look at blends, or get connected to some of my other resources. Like, for example, I have a brand new book called Hindsights for Maternal Wellness, and I hope that you'll look into that if you're interested in using essential oils during maternity. But my webinar on this topic, which is linked below, is just for general uses of frankincense, and I list my top 10. There are so many more, but some of the ones I talk about include for brain health, for tissue recovery, also for emotional things. It's considered the Be Here Now oil. That's my dog Ruby. She'll probably be chiming in on a lot of these videos. So frankincense is called the Be Here Now oil, so it can really bring you out of brain fog, or if you need to study, or if you're fatigued and stayed up late, you can use it. When I travel, I've been traveling a lot. I think I've been to Europe about 7 or 8 times in the last 2 years, teaching over there, which is a lot of fun, but it's a long day of travel, and I always have frankincense and peppermint in my bag, and the two of these together are amazing. If you're fatigued, you can just open both lids, keep it really simple, and simply inhale straight from the bottle. Sometimes I put a drop each in my palm and just inhale from my hands. But what this does is frankincense actually has a lot of sesquiterpenes, and it is able to cross the blood-brain barrier, and peppermint is just very energizing. It's like definitely penetrating. It's a driving oil, so you can tell when you put it on your skin or your chest that it's like going deep into your body. So I think of this as like peppermint driving frankincense into your brain, and both of them waking you up and basically calming you at the same time and giving you lots of great energy. So I suggest that you try that if you haven't. Also, if you are one of my listeners who is in the birth profession, or who's a mama, or working in any way with childbirth, this is a really wonderful one to use at a time during labor or pregnancy when people are tired. Peppermint may be discontinued during postpartum if it affects breast milk production, but frankincense can actually be used in every phase of maternity and even in infant care. So I have more information about this in a page on my website that talks about my top oils for pregnancy. You can read all about frankincense there. I'll link that below. Plus my webinar on the topic will be linked below, and also an article written by Susie McDara, who is an essential oil expert massage therapist that focuses on oils for pregnancy. She wrote an article called Frankincense for Mums and Bubs, and if you're a mum or a bub, then you might want to check that out. I'll link that below as well. And finally, if you don't already have frankincense, or if you are running low and you already have a doTERRA account, doTERRA in December, like every December since I've been a member, offers a free bottle of frankincense with a 200 PV purchase. And 200 PV is basically $200 in essential oils if you're in the US, and then you get a free 15 milliliter bottle, and it's a great deal because it's like $86, I think. Wait, what's the exact price? It's $90.67 in the US retail, and wholesale it's even $68. So getting a free bottle of this is really amazing. So I recommend doing that in the month of December. If you don't already have an account, please sign up through my website, and I will personally support you in getting started. And also I have hundreds of hours of free online education I can provide for new members who enroll through my website. And that's it. I hope you enjoy all the links below, and have a happy Sunday. I myself am waking up, and I have 5 teenage girls sleeping with my daughter in her bedroom, and my son has one friend over, and yeah, so it's going to be a big breakfast here, and I'm going to get started on that. But I'm glad to share all this. Thanks for tuning in, and have a wonderful month of December. Bye, y'all.